Most people don't think about what's in their water until something makes them think about it. For me, it was realizing I live across the street from a golf course, and golf courses spray pesticides constantly. That stuff runs off into the local water supply, and I rent. So no drilling, no under-sink systems. This Waterdrop M6H solved my problem. Golf courses use roughly 18 times more pesticides per acre than conventional agriculture. And that standard municipal water treatment isn't specifically designed to catch modern agriculture chemicals or PFAs, the forever chemicals the EPA only started regulating in 2024 and 2025. PFAs don't break down in the environment. They don't break down in your body. The CDC has found them in the blood of nearly 99% of Americans. I'm not willing to trust my tap water is fine. I needed a real solution that didn't require me calling my landlord. Out of the box, I had clean water in under 20 minutes. Twist the filter, fill the back tank, plug it in, let it flush, and done. No tools, no plumber, nothing permanent. It's about 16 by 9 by 14, so measure your counter first. But it looks sharp, matte black, touch panel, right in front. It looks like it belongs in a kitchen and not in a waiting room. Most countertop filters give you plastic. When you're spending money to filter out contaminants, handing water straight to plastic feels completely backwards. NSF certified, yay! And made from lead-free materials. So the machine itself isn't adding new problems. If you're already thinking this is exactly what you need, I added the link below. It'll take you directly to the website. Now let's keep going. Here's the part most reviewers skip. And honestly, it's the most important thing I'll tell you today. Reverse osmosis removes virtually everything, including beneficial minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium. Research cited by the World Health Organization found that low mineral water actually causes your body to pull minerals from itself to compensate. And your diet alone doesn't make up the difference. Magnesium is involved in over 300 processes in your body. The fix is simple. Add them back. I use mineral drops, just a few in my glass or pitcher. You can also use a clean electrolyte supplement like Ultima or instant hydration. Reverse osmosis pulls out all the bad stuff. Then you get to decide exactly what goes back in. That's actually a good thing. One filter covers all 7 stages. Lasts 12 months or about 1,100 gallons. Around $80 to replace, roughly 22 cents a day. The machine tracks filter life automatically, and the 3-to-1 pure to drain ratio means it wastes way less water than older reverse osmosis systems. The leftover wastewater can be used for plants, cleaning, nothing has to go down the drain. Bottom line, if you're a renter, if you live near a golf course or a farm, if you love your morning coffee and tea, or if you just want genuinely clean water for yourself and your pets without a plumbing project, this is it. Just don't forget to add your minerals back. Your body will thank you. And if you think this might be a good fit for you, I added the link below that takes you directly to the website. And if this video helped you out, please hit the like button. It helps more people find this, and it genuinely means a lot. Subscribe if you want to stick around for more. See you in the next one.